Chapter 11. The first battle for independence. Jhansi was not annexed till 1858. After the Sponi Mutiny had happened, what role did the Rani of Jhansi play in the mutinies? You use an encyclopedia or the internet to find out. With the passage of time, the Indian rulers, soldiers and peasants started to express their resentment of British dominations. जो सोल्डर्स थे, रूलर्स थे और किसान थे, पीसेंट्स, उन्होंने ये डोमिनेशन किया था ब्रिटिश रूल्स के. Some of the cases that generated up happiness amongst India have been discussed below. Political cases. Indian soldiers, spoils and armies were replaced by British armies and soldiers, leading to unemployment. The Indian rulers were forced to maintain British troops at their own cost. Social cases. The British were treating the Indian as second-rate citizen in their own city. They were also keep on spreading chestnutly across India. Economic cases. As the British took control of the Indian market, they were forcing their polishers on the traders. The power of the Indian landlords were taken away from them, and Indian artisans were out of work. The Indian economics was in semblance, were driving millions of people into poverty. Immediate case. The British had introduced a new infantry rifles in the Indian Army. The cartridges of these rifles were graced with animal fat, since the covering of the cartridge had to Britain of using the infilled rifles hurt the religious sentiments of both Hindu and Muslim soldiers. Okay. The uprising of 1857. All the discontent led to revolts across the country. The revolted the Sponsi Mutiny, or the revolt of 1857, also known as the First Battle of Independence. This proved to be turning point in history of India's freedom struggles. Okay, and as a result of this rebellion and the Mughal Empire, Bahadur Shah Zafar, it was crowned the Empire of India. The revolt gained strength as Nana Sahib, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, Tatya Top and many others joined to fight the British. जो हमारी जो स्ट्रगल्स थी, फाइट थी, उसमें ये लोग कनेक्ट हुए थे. अब यहाँ पिक्चर्स में देखते हैं बहादुर शाह जाफर एंड रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. द इंडियन mutiny began in Meerut, spread to Delhi, Agra, Kanpur and Lucknow. It was widespread but unsuccessful in authority to the British power, since the Indian leadership was weak and unorganized, while the British were better equipped across the country. Rani Lakshmibai and Nana Sahib were both killed. The Mughal Empire came to and an empire. Bahadur Shah Jafar was captured and sent into exile in Burma, presently known as Myanmar, and his two sons were killed. The British East India Company was replaced by the rule of Queen Victoria, who was declared the Empress of India. The Queen appointed Victoria to Governor of India on her behalf.